Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, latest Windows 11 updates, and Copilot enabled. First, open Settings and run Windows Update to install any pending patches, because Copilot relies on system firmware and feature updates. Once done, head to Privacy and Security and toggle Copilot on. You should restart if prompted to finalize integration. This ensures the feature is available and that background services are ready, which prevents simple launch failures and speeds initial setup. Now you open Copilot, press Windows+C or click the taskbar icon, and sign in with the same Microsoft account to sync context and settings. Make sure to grant microphone and app access permissions so Copilot can assist across apps. Without them, features are limited. Next, customize voice and response length in settings and enable context sharing for better suggestions. Once configured, try a simple task like drafting an email. This validates permissions and shows why each setting matters for accurate, context-aware. To finish, run real tasks, draft messages, summarize documents, run system queries, or control apps with natural prompts so you learn what works best. Pin templates and frequent prompts to speed repeat workflows and make sure Copilot can access files you reference. If Copilot is slow or fails to respond, first restart it or reboot Windows, then confirm permissions and update drivers. If problems persist, toggle Copilot off and on in Settings to reset its service. This simple step resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.